Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y01, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that here tap on the sound section. Here you can see the media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. You can change them by hold for a while and drag the blue dots to the left or to the right side. Also here we got the volume buttons control function. We can switch our volume buttons to use or to change the media or the ringtone volume here by this way. And here we can set the vibration for calls to never to vibrate, always, or vibrate first then ring gradually. Also we got here the vibration for notification. We can turn it on or turn it off by click once on the switcher. Here also we can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. We can change the media, the phone ringtone, the notifications and alarm ringtones also. And here we got the other sounds and vibration settings, so we can enable or disable the dial buttons, the screen login sounds, the charging sounds, touch sounds, the screen capture tones or the screenshot sound, the touch vibration, and the vibrations when the other party answers or hangs up. And also we can here customize the sound effects, so we can turn it on or turn it off by click here once on the switcher and change the sound profiles. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.